bought the Rode Wireless Go 2 to improve the audio quality. You're currently hearing the built-in microphone from the Sony. And this is what it sounds like with the transmitter clipped on my shirt. This is the other transmitter. The receiver is connected to my Sony camera via the 3.5 millimeter jack. Now it doesn't matter where I am in this room, you will get a very unified and identical sound. It is such a dramatic improvement over the built-in microphone from the Sony camera. Let me show you a few more details before we move on to the unboxing video, and you will get the stereo sound. We got a microphone on top, a lav mic input, a power button, and a USB Type-C charging port. I got a magnetic charging cable so I can use like a MagSafe type of charging. There's a battery indicator, a connected indicator. By pressing 3 seconds on that power button, it turns on and the link status shows connected. Both LEDs are on, and this is the receiver. I like the right angle. These are the things included in the package: 2 transmitter, 1 receiver. The receiver is the one with the screen. That's how you'll be able to tell the difference. It may look very confusing. 3 USB Type-C cable, charging cable, and 1 audio cord, 3 dead cats, twist. This is the quick start guide. You may pause and read the user manual. One press on this button on dB improves the gain. See that the triangle button icon? It's on, and it's on right here. And that's the signal display. Well, and here we got the mute and unmute toggle to select the first one or the second one to be unmuted, to be muted. And we can also unmute from the transmitter itself or press once to mute this transmitter. They can be used when charging. This is very important to me during a live stream. If the battery runs out, I should be able to power them on with the external power source or a battery bank. And you can see the charging speed right here, about 1 watts. I like them a lot. Alternatively, you can use a lav mic plug, but usually I just clip it on my shirt. The build quality is excellent. This is the latest Sony camera ZV-E10. I can use the hot shoe for mounting like that. It's worth mentioning this cable is pretty stiff. It can be bended and won't move around. Okay, that's the 3.5 output to the microphone input jack on the Sony camera. I just plug it in. I like the fact that it's not preventing this screen from rotating. That's a really good feature. I'm going to demonstrate how to get a mono mode and switch between the stereo and mono. I'm gonna start recording on my Sony camera and you will hear the mono sound. Press and hold these 2 buttons for a few seconds and you will get the stereo sound. The second one is the right channel and the first one is the left channel. If for some reason, if this one is damaged or power runs out, or if you're doing a live stream, you will only hear the left channel and now it's the great use case for mono mode. And now you can see the bar is only one. As I merged, if I bring this one back, you will only see one, even though there is an indicator for the second channel. So we press and hold again to keep an eye on that bar. Now we have two bars. Yeah, now we're back in stereo mode. So this is the mode you want to use if you are just doing an interview by yourself, or if you want your live stream audio to be centered. If you're recording music, I think it makes a lot of sense to use the stereo mode. Once again, we're back in the mono mode, and now it's gonna be the stereo mode. And you can mute and you can pick a channel and mute the channel, and use this one to make the selection and mute the left channel. Now we only have the right channel and left channel. That's how you do stereo recording.